Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even get smarter over time. Welcome to the age of AI. Hi, welcome to Next Gen Tech Loop. Let's break down artificial intelligence, or AI, in just 60 seconds. AI is everywhere, powering some of the most impressive tech around us today. Meet advanced robots that can walk, talk, and even help in factories or hospitals. AI-powered medical devices now help doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In our homes, smart assistants can control lights, play music, and answer questions instantly. Autonomous drones deliver packages and monitor crops, all guided by AI. And real-time language translation apps break down barriers, letting us communicate across the globe. All of this is possible because AI learns from massive amounts of data, spots patterns, and keeps getting smarter. The more it learns, the more it can do, transforming how we live, work, and dream about the future. Stick around with Next Gen Tech Loop as we dive deeper into the coolest breakthroughs in AI every week.